Hi, I'm glad you're almost there. So usually your legs, you have to put your feet together, bend your knees, and to create a circular movement, you have to alternate your knees back and forth, going forward, not sideways, and that will help with your circular movement. So you use your knees back and forth, and you try to match your knees with your hips. I'm not in the outfit right now, but let me just show you what I mean. Yeah. Alright, so bend your knees and move your knees back and forth, and then match your circular move with your knees. Your knees should help you to isolate your upper body. Your knees should help you to make wider moves, so the more you bend, the wider will be your movement. Hopefully that can help. And just go at your pace. It's alright, just keep practicing and you get there.